Okay, you already know what perimeter is. The perimeter, well, it's a blank, you know. The perimeter is the lengths of the sides added up together. So the perimeter for this cube would be this side, the length of this side, plus the length of this side, plus the length of this side, plus the length of the top side. And you would have your perimeter if you added all those things together. But what is the area of a shape? The area of a shape is the space inside of the shape, the whole space inside of the shape. Now, how do you calculate this? Well, I'm going to show you. Imagine you were to have a cardboard box or something, okay? And you had smaller blocks, right? You had, let's say, small blocks that were about the size of an inch or so, about like this, the size of this. The block was about the size of that, okay? And you wanted to see how much space was inside the cardboard box. Well, one thing you could do is that you could see how many of these you can fit inside the cardboard box. You could put a bunch of those in and then calculate how much you put in to see how many fit. And you could say, okay, let's say it was like 100 of these. You could say, okay, the space inside the cardboard box is 100 of these. It can fit 100 of these inside the cardboard box, inside the space of the cardboard box. Well, we can do the same thing with shapes. If I were to grab a square like this, and let's say I wanted to find the inside of it, I can use a square unit. This by itself is a square inch, square unit inch. A square unit is, we went over it, but it's where all the sides are equal to one square measurement. This measurement is an inch. So all the sides are equal to 1 inch. Let's say we wanted to find out how many square centimeters fit inside of it. Well, I don't know what actually the length of square centimeter is, but I'm gonna assume it's like this. Okay. This isn't the actual length. Okay. This isn't an actual square centimeter, but let's say it was this, and we were able to fit four squares whose lengths are the size of 1 centimeter inside of this square. So it's like fitting blocks inside of a cube, cubes inside of a box. See, we were able to fit 4 cubes inside of the box. So that box, its area on the inside is 4 square cubes. It was 4 square centimeters. Okay, because 4 square centimeter units. Because we were able to fit 4 squares whose side lengths are equal to 1 centimeter. And that's the idea of finding the area. It's to see how many blocks of a certain unit measurement can fit inside of a shape. In this case, in this example, 4. So the area would be 4, that's a 2. It'd be 4 square centimeters. Square centimeters. Okay? So that's it. The perimeter is the measurement of the lengths of the sides, and the area is how much stuff can fit inside. In this case, 4 blocks four squares whose sides are 1 centimeter can fit inside. Okay, 4 square centimeters. Okay, this is the area of this box. You can do that. We're gonna do some more examples in another video. But yeah, stay in school. Area.